The latest software update has added the ability to perform Wi-Fi updates right from the tool. A PC will no longer be required to update the tool. Note that in order to have the Wi-Fi update feature on the tool must be updated to version DA1 33.00 or above. This information can be found in the About menu in Settings. First, ensure the tool is plugged in and charging during this process. Do not turn off the tool at any point while the tool is updating. Next, turn the tool on. Then, from the main menu, scroll over to Settings and press OK. From the Settings menu, scroll over to Update/Wi-Fi and press OK. On this menu, we must first set up the Wi-Fi connection. Select the Wi-Fi settings icon and press OK. Select Wi-Fi activated and change the setting to Yes. The tool will begin scanning for any available Wi-Fi networks. Select your Wi-Fi network and press OK. From here, enter the password to the network and press Enter when finished. The tool will begin connecting to your network. If a connection error message appears, try again, making sure your password is entered correctly. Once connected, the tool will display Connected in the Wi-Fi status section. From here, go back to the previous menu by pressing the C key on the tool. Select the update function, then select the check mark to begin the update process. Note that this process will take some time to complete and the tool will automatically restart several times. Do not interrupt this process. Once the update is complete, the tool will return to the main menu and it will be on the latest software version. The tool will remember the last Wi-Fi connection it was on from this point forward. There is no need to change the Wi-Fi settings before every update.